Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code for contact on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, go to any browser app on your phone, just like Safari, and tap a new web tab, and search for qr.io and search it, and here you can find this interface like this, and change the link from there. You have to choose call from there, then you have to enter the country code which contact you want to make a QR code. So just like I have chosen Bangladesh, and enter a number like this. Okay, then tap the done option here, then select the generate QR code from here, and here you can see your QR code is ready. So simply take a screenshot of it and go to the photos, then select the QR code. Make sure it's copied photos here, or you don't need to copy that. So simply select the photos, and here you can find the scanner or document option or scanner QR code option. Simply tap on it. Here the scanner is scanned your QR code. Simply tap your QR code, and here you can find the call option, the add to contact option, copy the phone number option, and many options are there. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.